morning. Welcome once again to the online class of class 10. We will continue with the chapter Arithmetic Progression exercise 2.5. So let us discuss one problem here. So I shall go to problem number 90. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So I shall discuss here the procedure to solve this kind of problem. So solution. So he given first salary. The first salary is how much? The first salary is A. We consider it as A. It is rupees 5,000. And received an increment. So increment we will consider D. It is rupees 200. Rupees 200. Now, in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So I have to find out what is the number of years after which he will reach this much income, 7,000. So first year his salary was 5,000. Then next year it is 5,200, increasing 200 rupees every time. So we have to find out when it will be 7,000. So this is the problem here. We have to find here first term is given. The common difference is given 200. We have to find out when it will be 7,000. This is the number of terms. The n you have to find out, for which it is 7,000. So we'll consider nth term an as 7,000. That means after 7,000, after n number of years, it will be 7,000. We don't know that n. That n we have to find out. N is the number of years. So it will be a plus n minus 1 d. It is 7,000. We will go by the formula. So this is the formula. So here A is 5,000. N minus 1, here D is 200, it is again 7,000. So here it is plus, taking this side it will become minus. So 200 N minus 1 you leave here, taking this one this side plus will become minus. So it will become 7,000 minus 5,000. So 200 n minus 1 will come 2,000. So n minus 1 will come 2,000 by 200. So n minus 1 will be here 10. Of course, here this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. Then it will come 20 by 2. And 20 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20, so it is 10. So n minus 1 will come 10. So what will be n? N, this minus 1, if I take this side, it will become plus 1. So 10 plus 1. So n will be 11. Therefore, Therefore, you have to write it in good sentence, this one. Therefore, the required number of years after which his income reach rupees 7,000 is 11. So this is the solution of the given problem. Hope you have understood well. So you have to practice all these problems on a daily basis. Daily 3 hours you practice mathematics in the morning and the evening. Again, those formulas, suppose this is the formula, this one you have to remember, a plus n minus 1 d. This formula you remember for this chapter. This is very important formula. So this formula is used. So here this an is the nth term, this a is the first term, here a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. So you have to remember this formula for this chapter. If you know this formula, then exercises 5.1 and 5.2 you can solve. Okay, thank you.